morning. My name is Jennifer Keller. I'm your Aflac representative, and today I'm just going to go over the products being offered and how Aflac works. So at ITI, you all are fortunate enough to have an employer-sponsored plan, and the way it works, if you participate in any one of the plans that we're offering you, then ITI will sponsor and pay for an accident policy for you as an individual, which is a great benefit. I don't have a whole lot of clients that are participating in the cost. So first and foremost, I wanted to share that information with you. It is now open enrollment time. We've offered Aflac here at ITI for a couple of years now. We've filed some claims with some of the employees here and really been able to help their families. So when you think about how Aflac works, our plans address the financial impact that an accident or illness could have on someone in their family. So you see the duck commercials and they're talking about if you're hurt or sick and can't work, the duck's paying cash dollars directly to the families. And that essentially is how our plans work. So if you are covered by one of our policies, our plans will pay you directly as the policyholder, giving you the freedom to spend the money however you need to. Most of our clients tell us they pay, their mortgage, rent, car payment, utilities, the monthly expenses that are going to come due regardless if your paycheck is flowing into the household or not. However, some of our clients tell us that they spend their Aflac money to pay deductible or copay. Either way, the money's paid directly to you and you have that flexibility. Now Aflac has a new campaign and a new initiative on how we're paying claims, and it's called One Day Pay. So essentially, you can file a claim today and be paid tomorrow via direct deposit. There are some stipulations on how you have to file the claim, but basically it's you have to upload and file everything online by 2 o'clock Central Time, and then Aflac will then direct deposit your claim benefit the very next day, which is something we're very excited about. We've always been, all about paying the client as fast as we can. In the nature of what we do, most of our clients can't go a whole long time without income, and that's why we are so passionate about what Aflac does for families. Each of you should have a little packet. If you don't, they're in the office. You can pick them up. But you'll see in the packet on the left-hand side, there's a rate sheet. So those rates are per your pay row, so you'll know exactly what the reflection of bring home pay will be when you look into participating in the plan. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see the brochures of the plans being offered to you. The first plan that I'll go over is the accident policy. This is the policy that ITI will pay for individual coverage for you if you participate in any of the other two plans. So the way this works, you have 24/7 coverage in the event that you or anyone that you cover has an accident. So if you're at work, at home, minor or major accident happens and you seek treatment, the plan's going to pay benefits. When you look in the brochure, you're going to see tons of benefits listed. This plan pays based on the event. So the more severe the accident, the more benefits that pay. So you're going to see benefits for emergency room, urgent care, surgery, hospital stay, broken bones, lacerations, crutches. There's also a $40,000 accidental death benefit included in the plan. You're going to be able to participate in this plan for $6 a week. So it's very affordable. Your children and your spouse, if you cover them, they have the exact same benefits as you. That plan is a direct issue, so 9/1 is going to be the effective date if you don't already have the coverage. On 9/1, you're fully covered. There's no waiting periods. There's no pre-existing. So that's the accident policy. The next policy is the cancer plan. This plan is actually Aflac's flagship plan. The company, this was the first plan we ever marketed. It's changed a lot over the years just to keep up with the medical industry. But the way it works, if you're diagnosed with cancer, it's going to pay you a $4,000 first occurrence benefit. So that benefit's paid to you directly after we receive pathology report. Now, once treatment begins, the plan is going to pay more benefits. So it's event specific after that first occurrence. So if you're going for chemotherapy, radiation, stem cell, you're getting a benefit per that type of treatment. If you're traveling for better care, if you're in the hospital, if you need surgery, all of those different treatments trigger a different benefit. Now, if you have children, 26 and under, they're covered on this plan at no additional cost. So you as the parent participate, then you can add them at no additional cost. Their first occurrence benefit is an $8,000 first occurrence as opposed to the $4,000 for adult. So it is double, and then their benefits are going to be the same after that. Everyone on your plan gets $75 every year that you have the plan and go and get a wellness screening. So if you go and get blood work, chest x-ray, mammogram, pap smear, those are different examples of cancer screenings, and you get $75 back from your plan per person every year. One neat thing about this plan, one feature we have here for ITI is that $4,000 first occurrence benefit will grow by $500 every year you have the plan and don't have to use it. So the plan becomes more valuable the longer you have it. There is one question that we'll ask before being able to enroll you. Have you or anyone to be covered been diagnosed or treated for cancer in the last 5 years? If the answer is no, then the plan is a direct issue with a 30-day wait. So in your all's situation, 9/31 would be your full first day of coverage. Okay. And the last plan is our critical illness policy. This policy is pretty simple to understand because it's a lump sum benefit. So if you have a heart attack, stroke, coma, kidney paralysis, need an organ transplant, the plan is going to pay you a $10,000 benefit. Now that's for the employee. Your children are covered at no cost on this plan as well at 50% of your benefit. So that would be $5,000 in this case. And then you can cover a spouse for the $5,000 as well. So that first occurrence benefit of $10,000, that lump sum benefit, is paid to you upon having one of those events. And then the plan recharges after 6 months. So what that means is if I have a heart attack, my plan's going to pay me $10,000. If 7 months later I have a stroke, the plan is then going to pay me $5,000, and it will pay $5,000 every 6 months for the lifetime of the plan. So that $10,000 pays one time. Now it is a guaranteed issued plan. However, it does have a 12 look forward, 12 look back clause, which just means anything pre-existing that's been diagnosed or treated 12 months prior to the effective date does have a 12-month wait. After that 12-month, regardless of the pre-existing condition, if an event happens, you're going to be fully covered for the $10,000. So those are the 3 plans that are offered. Again, the plans pay you directly. The plans are in place to help you in the event that you're hurt or sick and can't work. We all know someone that has been affected by an accident or illness and has been unable to provide for their family. These plans are in place to pay you so that you have funds to not only live the way you were before the event, but also to help you be able to get the best care you need. So if you have any questions, again, my name is Jennifer Keller. Cami White can get you my contact information. We'll be doing enrollment at different dates per your location, but look for more communication. Thank you for listening.